Holyton HT25 folding drone with camera, less than 3.5 ounces, small size, for kids, Wi-Fi FPV real-time with 2 batteries, toss flight modes, a half-free conversion. 1080p high-definition camera and less than 3.5 ounces with a 1080p camera and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission. You can record higher-resolution videos and photos on your smartphone. The camera can be adjusted 30 degrees and install the free app on your smartphone, and you can always keep track of what the drone is watching with FPV, so you don't miss the moment you want to take it. Please rest assured that this product is a unit less than 3.5 ounces and does not require registration applications or remote ID. Folding and 2 batteries. The arm part is foldable and can fit in your pocket. It is not only easy to store but also very convenient to carry when going out, but also extremely portable. Includes 2 high-capacity module batteries, which extend to 22 minutes of flight time. It stays in the air for longer hours and allows you to enjoy a longer game time. It makes charging more secure, and it is more convenient to install and remove. Easy operation and for beginners. The drone comes with headless mode, emergency stop, altitude, etc., so you can achieve a perfect flight plan with ease from beginners to professionals. It also comes with propeller guards made of high elastic plastic, so you can protect the aircraft even if it gets shocked. Various takeoff methods. Place the drone in your palm and gently throw it in the air, and the drone will automatically take off. With the voice control function, you can control the drone taking off by just saying, "Take off." One key takeoff button allows you to take off the drone and choose a variety of ways to take off. Multifunctional mini drone and safe after-sales service. Gesture photography, trajectory flight mode, sensory operation mode, 3D VR screen, and more can be controlled by the smartphone app to bring you various fun. Please feel free to contact us at any time of use, such as the operation and maintenance of the drone.